This here is a Heritage Lancaster ceiling fan. This was also labeled as Home Essentials in some part, but it still has the same model name. This is in the kitchen here at our beach house. And I'm making a video of it because soon this is going to get replaced by an Emerson Sea Breeze that I got off Amazon with one of those seaside light kits. So I think that's going to be a pretty cool upgrade. If I tilt the camera up a bit more, you can see the blades over time have been getting really saggy and bent up and just in not too great a shape. So here's the light. These shades are not original, but I like them a lot. I didn't even pick these out. They're the same kind as on my like on the Rye light kit that Emerson has. I'm not really sure what that's called, but it looks like it's like raindrop or something. It's missing one of the screws up there, which I have no idea how that happened because no one ever touches this fan. It also has some cracks on the surface, like up here. Start on low. It's humming per usual. And this is gonna wobble. I'm not sure if it's because of the droopy blades, blade pitch or what, but this runs significantly slower than the other ones upstairs. Gives this an aesthetic low speed though, which is kind of cool. This fan was not original to this house. I don't think I'm going to be able to have a picture of it because it's one of those that were printed out because it was before digital cameras were popular, but there was some generic hugger in here, like white 4 blades. I'm not really sure what it was. But then when they redid parts of this house in, I think, the early 2000s, this went up. And it's generally just a cheap fan. Let's go to medium. And notice this pull chain is rusted, so when I pull it out, you'll see the color it should be. That up there. A lot of salt air comes through that screen door right there when it's open, so it would explain why over like 20 years this thing looks the way it does. I mean, it's not horrible, but it could be better. Blades are reversible to bleached oak, which you might have been able to see. So that's medium. You can feel some air coming off of it. And let's go to high. So you'll notice it's not going to go much faster than medium. I'd say this is moving the equivalent of a Casablanca's medium speed. Oh, and it's making noises. I think that's the glass, though. I'm not sure. Yeah, no, mostly you just want to replace this because this is like one of the first things you see when you come in the house, either over there or through here. And whenever kitchen activities are occurring, you usually want like a nice powerful fan if you got some like smoke or anything going on. Plus the Sea Breeze is like an outdoor rated fan, so the blades won't sag or anything. I'll show it with the light and then turn it off. Yeah, it's literally going at like a medium speed. Has a slight shake. And let's turn it off. There we go. These fans surprisingly have like some pretty big startup torque. I'm not really sure. I don't know if you saw it just there, but like if I went from 0 to high, it does it, and I don't really know why because it's just the basic spinner, but the bearings on it aren't shot, which is surprising. They're just normal. It's just that the motor itself is hummy. So that's one positive I'll give it. Also, the switch that controls the light, I don't know if you could tell, but the fan is like permanently like wired to be on. So whenever you have a situation like that, you have to go and turn off the breaker if you want to mess with it. Since I have time, I'll do high reverse really quick. No torque that time. Feels very random when it does it. It could also just be like the mounting situation. And my battery's about to die, so let's turn it off. That was the Heritage Lancaster fan. Thank you for watching.